Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys just how I put his Easter basket together. So if you watched my Dollar Tree video, you know that I bought all of this stuff and I bought this backpack and did not know what to do with it. But I found out that if I put it in the bottom of the basket, then it works just like a grass filler would. So that's exactly what I did. And then I just started piling everything in there. There wasn't really much rhyme or reason. I just kind of wanted to make sure he could see everything. As you can see, it's kind of a messy type of Easter basket. It doesn't really have a theme like most Easter baskets do, but that is okay because my kid does not really have much of a theme either. He likes a little bit of everything, so I'm pretty sure he'll be alright with all this. So all I'm doing is just taking little tidbits of everything and just stuffing it wherever I can find a place. And then I just filled it in with those little candy carrots. And I think that that gave it a little bit of color and made it super cute. The best way that I can tell you to do this is to put the smallest stuff in the front and the bigger stuff in the back because it's going to be able to still be seen anyways. But I just wanted him to have lots and lots of goodies to play with on Easter, so that is exactly what we've got going on here. This same kind of basket would cost you a lot of money, but by going to Dollar Tree, everything was $1, and I definitely spent under 20 bucks. And it's full of stuff that I know he will love. I hope this helped you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day and an awesome Easter.